Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Easy CNC. We got an Easy Fusion 360 part here. This one is for beginners, so here we go. Okay, first we're going to sketch a block. Hit Create Sketch, select a face, make a rectangle, snap to the middle, click, we'll go 3 inches, tab, 3 inches, hit enter, finish sketch. Now we're going to extrude this square up. Go down to Create, Extrude, up 1.25 inches. Type it in, hit enter. There we go, we got ourselves a nice block. Next, we'll click on design. Now we'll click on manufacture. Now we'll add some toolpaths. So first we're just going to set up the part. We'll click on setup, new setup, stock. We'll go about 1/8 inch on the sides. Tenth thou on top. We'll make it a selected point so we can just click on one of the corners. Go to the top corner, we'll click on it. Our XYZ will snap to that corner. Next, we're going to put our X, Y, and Z all facing the correct direction, so Z should be facing up. We'll click on the line. Z is facing up now. X is to the right. Y is up. That's looking good. The X, Y, Z that'll work. Next, we're going to do a facing operation. So go 2D, facing off. Geometry, it's already selected our stock, so that's good for us. So go to Tool, select a tool. We don't have a tool, so we'll just create one real quick. We'll click on Ball End Mill. We'll go to Face Mill. Go down to diameter. We'll type in 3 inches. We have a 3-inch face mill here on my desk, so that's what we use. Hit OK. Now we have a 3-inch face mill. Simple as that. I called the engineer. I got some speeds and feeds. We use 4,000 RPM and 40 inches a minute. When trying to find speeds and feeds, your best option is always to call the tool company direct, because in most cases they'll find a speed and feed for you that will work. Hit OK after you type in your speeds and feeds. And there's your first toolpath. Pretty simple. Next, we're going to contour around the outside. We'll select our tool. We use a 1/2 inch end mill. We don't have one, so again we're just going to create one real quick. We'll click on Ball End Mill, go to Flat End Mill. We'll type in 1/2 inch or 0.500. We'll make our body length 1.75 inches. That's a little more accurate to what our end mill looks like. Hit OK. There's our 1/2 inch end mill. Pretty simple. Next, we're going to select our contour selection, which is just going to be the bottom line that goes all the way around. All you have to do is click on it. That looks good. Next, time for some speeds and feeds. The speed and feed calculator we use for most of our end mills is easyspeedsandfeeds.com. Type in 1/2 inch. That's the size of our end mill. We'll fill out some of this other info. (4,584 RPM). Now we have a 10,000 RPM spindle, so we can probably go a little bit faster than 4,584. So we're going to change our surface feet to about 1,200. (9,167), 110 inches a minute. Pretty quick, that's what we like. Now we type in our speeds and feeds. Never want to skip the speeds and feeds. You always want to put something in. Okay, that works. Hit OK. First, we forgot this. We're going to add a finish pass. We'll click on multiple finish. We'll make the step over 5 thou. Then we'll hit OK. So it's going to go around twice. So you can see, got a little 5 thou deviation right there. That's good. So we have a face mill and we have a contour. Now, the last thing we need is a chamfer mill around the top. So we click on the top line that goes around, make the chamfer width 20 thou. We go to tool, hit select tool. We don't have a chamfer mill, so we create one. Chamfer mill. Chamfer mill I have is a 1/4 inch, tip diameter about 5 thou. So we just type those numbers in, pretty simple. Hit OK. Hit OK. Now time for some speeds and feeds. We'll turn the surface footage down to about 600 because at 1200 surface feet, the 1/4 inch end mill is about 18,000 RPM, where our spindle is only capable of about 10,000 RPM. So change that. And whatever speed and feed calculator you use is fine. Most of them are really great out there, so don't feel like you have to use easy speeds and feeds. Your best option is probably to call the tool company and get speeds and feeds directly from the source. But if you're looking just for some quick speeds and feeds for some tool you found in your drawer, go to easyspeedsandfeeds.com. Okay, we typed in our speeds and feeds. Now we're going to simulate. Here we go. Here's our block. Here's our 3 tools. We click play. 3-inch face mill. 1/2 inch end mill. With a finish pass of 5 thou. That's good. And a chamfer mill. So there it is. There's our simple block. I hope you guys can find some sort of use out of this. Comment and tell me what you want to see next, and subscribe for more videos on Fusion 360. Thanks.